So it's early in the morning, and I don't know why I'm trying to talk loud. I just don't know. So I'm going to teach you how to make a slime with fluffy slime with no shaving cream with only 4 ingredients. So you need sweet tea from Bath and Body Works. You can use any glue using the Nickelodeon. You can use any activator, and you can use a slime activator and you need salt, like super any salt. Any salt. So let's get on with the video. So first you put in this. I don't have a lot, so I won't be making huge stuff. I'll be back once I'm done. I got the mousse cleaner. You can actually use any. So then you put the goodies. And it should be the same amount as the body wash. And so then salt in, not a lot. 4 pinches. I just put the salt in and then you mix it. I'll be back once I'm done mixing. And you have to make sure it has a live air bubbles in there. I mean a lot. So I have a lot of air bubbles in mine because and then it's gonna add the activator. So if you're doing borax, this is borax anyways, but 1 teaspoon of borax and a cup of warm water, eye contact solution and baking soda, or saline solution and baking soda, doesn't really matter. And guys, it actually worked. So, and in case you're wondering, this was my recipe because I was sitting in my room thinking, what could I do for you guys? And if I didn't already say this, I'm sorry if I haven't posted in a while, but it's super awesome. I add too much borax, so that's why it's not that stretchy. Because clear, fluffy slime is my most favorite slime, because it's like the bomb. So. Okay, so I'm going to mix it with the slime I made before this video, because I was testing it out. But the slime I made before this video, it's very sticky. So, but I just mixed it with that, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope this method works for you because it worked for me. So, bye.